Hello again, this is Captain John, and today I want to give you a special presentation on how to use the new NOAA chart locator system. Now, I use this almost on a daily basis, and I think it's really important for all the skippers out there to be able to use this, whether you're in a sailboat or powerboat. Today, I just want to go over the locator software with you very quickly and show you all the features that it has to offer. Now, the first thing you want to do is go on to the NOAA website, which is nauticalcharts.noaa.gov. And here's this site address. And what I would do is copy this into your favorites as a bookmark on your computer. It's really valuable. You have certified charts and products in the first column, general use charts in the second column, and the chart viewers in the third column, and other services and publications in the fourth column. Now what we want to do is I'm going to scroll up here, and we're going to go to the chart locator. And you're just going to click on that. You're going to come to a chart locator map. Now I can center that map with my cursor. All I'm doing is I'm pressing and holding the left mouse button and putting this about in the center of my screen. And then I have a wheel on my mouse, but you can also zoom in or zoom out with this feature here. And you can zoom in here and then move anywhere you want on the coast. And here's the profiles of the chart outlines. So anywhere you want to go, if you're on the West Coast, you can scroll up. I'm just dragging my mouse so that I can see the screen. And then if I want to get an overview, I can move back out. So let's say we want to take a look at a chart, say in San Francisco Bay. So I can scroll in here. And again, I'm just centering this screen. And let's say we want to take a look at the San Francisco Bay entrance. Now, watch this column populate when I click this entrance chart right here. And you can see how it populates right here, and it populates here. This gives you the chart number along with the chart scale. It gives you the subregion along with the chart scale again. It shows the 68th edition, and the print date is 6/1/2013. Now you can actually view the chart, you can buy the chart, you can download a PDF version. I really like the booklet charts. Those are ideal. You can see my link below this video which shows you how to use the booklet charts. The Rasker nautical charts is just a snapshot of the paper nautical chart, and then the Nota Submarina correction that have been updated on a daily basis. Let's take a look here under the view and see what we got. Now here you can see the small view again. I can move this chart around just by all I'm doing is clicking over the chart, holding down my left mouse button. I can move this anywhere I want, and then I can scroll in on this and get all the detail I want. Now if I want to move back out, I just use my mouse wheel to scroll back out. Let's say I want to take a look at these entrance buoys coming in here. On the starboard side, I'm going to have red number 2, which is a quick red whistle buoy. It has AIS, and we talked about the automatic identification system, which the Coast Guard is installing on some of the most important buoys. And if you have an AIS receiver on your boat, you can get information on the buoy's position and also the identifying characteristics of the buoy. On the port side of the channel, we have green number 1, quick green bell buoy. Again, we have the AIS signature along with the symbol, which tells us that we can also receive AIS information on bell buoy number 1. I hope that's helped you to see some of the free resources that are available to the mariner when sailing or cruising in U.S. waters. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.